In this video, I am going to show you how to create end screen using PixArt and KineMaster application. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, please make sure click that subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon to get notified my future videos. Okay, let's jump into it. First go to PixArt. Just open PixArt application. After that, click on plus icon. Then you can import the video that you want to edit. So I select that end screen. Now you can see I already import that end screen. So after that you can add background to make it big. So now we want to crop this one. To do that, go to split option. Now you can see I already cut for 2 seconds. Now just export and save it. So now we already saved the file to the gallery. So now you have to open Chrome browser to get green background. Just get one screenshot. So after that again open the PixArt application. And now I want to add my profile icon to that end screen and select that logo. After that you can select green background picture that we saved before. So after that just crop that picture to get that green background. After you select, just resize, make it big and go to blend option. And after that go to multiply. Then save it to the gallery. Then after that go to KineMaster application. Just click on create new and after that select 16.9, then give next. Here is the KineMaster application look like. So what you have to do now, import that video file we saved before and go to layer option and come over to photo. So what we have to do now, we have to remove this black background. So after that go to option, then come down to chroma key option, then click on enable and also you can change the color. Then you can adjust to mark here. Then you can resize this one. Make it small to that circle. Now what you have to do, you can add animation also. Just click on animation and select what you want to add here. So I just select pop option. So now you can adjust speed also. now we have to export that video. To do that, just go up this export icon, click on that, just skip this one and you can save it. So now we will go to our gallery. So now you can see it's already here. What you have to do now, just crop this one. Then save it. Just click on done button, then you can see preparing video. That's how you create end screen using PixArt and KineMaster application. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.